So we're here in Madrid today with the European Athletes and Players Association to deliver a day's training to a lot of their staff.
So today I've been explaining my side of the story of gambling harm and the effects that it had on me. Also sporting integrity, so for myself, I breached some sporting integrity, got in trouble for that, and we're just trying to educate people about that. With the story that I was able to put out, I think it definitely brought up some questions and some ideas that they didn't have before. I think looking at things with a different perspective is definitely something that has come out of this session.
The lived experience were very captivating stories, and they definitely make the difference because they were told by people who lived the story, who can speak of experience themselves. And I'm absolutely convinced if you bring stories like that to the audience, it's an eye-opener for everyone.
Gracias a la formación que hemos tenido hoy, lo que nos gustaría implementar de cara al futuro es quizá tener sesiones más largas en las charlas, ya que tenemos mucha información que proporcionar a las jugadoras en muy poco tiempo. Entonces hay que seleccionar muy bien qué se dice para poder explicar mejor el tema de las apuestas, el tema de la adicción en el juego y también hablar sobre casos reales que anteriormente no hemos llegado a hablar, sino que hemos dado una información más educativa básica sobre las normas reguladoras en el juego como deportistas, pero ahora estamos hablando de situaciones y vivencias reales que se pueden llegar a dar en caso de que se juegue.
It's hugely important to hear from athletes who've gone through the experiences. We find through whatever we are doing as players associations, players listen to players. So having them listen to what others have gone through and understand the experience and really relatable issues that they would have. Maybe they don't have such a predisposition, but they understand what the pitfalls are within sport. You know, the time off they have, some of the pressures, the want and need for an adrenaline hit. So there's a real value to having someone who's gone through it and using their experience.
D'avoir le témoignage de Jordan aujourd'hui, c'est très important pour nous. On est l'association des basketteurs et des basketteuses en France. Et c'est vrai que d'avoir un exemple qui touche le même sport que nous, ça a du sens. Pour le coup, c'est un exemple qu'on pourra nous utiliser au sein du syndicat pour expliquer aux joueurs que les paris sportifs, c'est certes des règles qu'il faut respecter, mais pourquoi il faut les respecter? C'est parce que justement, il y a toutes ces conséquences-là qui peuvent avoir un impact sur leur carrière sportive.
I believe the delegates today definitely learned a lot about gambling harm and things to look out for. I feel like their interaction was definitely important in terms of bringing up questions that they want to know and the answers that we could give from lived experience.